Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw mozzarella sticks. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our mozzarella sticks, we're going to begin with the basket. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a zigzag line that's just going to go right across for the top of our basket. Next, let's draw a line that comes in at an angle on each side. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that comes right across for the bottom of our basket. Next, I'm going to put a few lines that just come right down from the top and go straight to the bottom of our little basket. Now, to start off with our mozzarella sticks, we're just going to make kind of like a bumpy line. It's just going to go up. It's going to come over, and then we're going to go down. We'll do another one here, kind of make that bumpy line. We're going to go up, and then come down. Next, we'll do one more here, kind of make it come up, over, and then down. Now, let's make one that kind of looks like it's being pulled apart so we can see the inside. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over, and then down. Then we're going to make some big wiggly lines across. Let's do the same thing down here. This time we're going to go down, over, and up. Then we'll make these big wiggly lines. Then to make the cheese, we're just going to go in and back out, and then same thing here, in and back out. Now over here, let's make a little container of dipping sauce, like the Now over here, let's make a little container of marinara. So I'm just going to put this right up against the basket. So let's make a little line. It's going to come over. We're going to go down and then back over. Then we're going to come in at an angle and then right across. Then let's make a little bumpy line for our marinara. And then we're going to put another cheese stick over here. So over here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to be nice and bumpy. It's going to go up, it's going to go over, and then it's going to come down. Then this time, I'm going to make a wiggly line. And then I'm going to make another wiggly line down here, so it looks like it's been dipped in marinara. Now the last thing you can do is we can put some funny faces on here. You can make just little dots for eyes, and you can put little smiles with a tongue in there. You could make little lines like this with smiles. This looks like they're kind of like laughing. We can make lines like this with a little line here, so it looks like it's winking. We can even do like little kissy faces on there. We can make fun things. You can do a line across, and then we can make lines like this and color them in, so it kind of looks like they are wearing sunglasses. Make a little smile on there. And then we can even do like little circles. You can do a line that goes in and out. And then you can make them like with their tongue sticking out if you want. Lots of fun things you can do. And there you go. There is your drawing of some cartoon mozzarella sticks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.